There are now much more advanced ways to use an agent framework. For example, it's possible to define parallel or sequential workflows, and you can also incorporate multiple instances and implement conditional workflows that check whether certain conditions are met and then pass the workflow to the next qualified instance, which processes the relevant tasks. These constructs can be easily visualized using the appropriate frameworks. In contrast, with programming solutions like LangChain, there's always the issue of needing to read through the code and potentially having to change the entire logic later if the fundamental situation changes or if you want to implement something you hadn't considered at the time of creation. With workflows, it's possible to exchange data with other systems and workflows via webhooks. This happens over the HTTPS protocol, which is encrypted, and almost every AI-related manufacturer now provides API interfaces and corresponding keys to further secure this exchange. Agents also have an additional advantage. They can use tools that you can provide. There are already many ready-made solutions, but you can also program your own functions or delegate the logic to another system and wait for a response. However, the more complex an agent workflow becomes, the harder it is to determine the cause if something doesn't work as expected. Therefore, it often makes more sense to break down complex tasks into smaller workflows that can communicate with each other.